First video of two of how to set up a printer on your Octopus 600 or 900 visual field. So the first thing you want to do is watch the video on how to set up window shares for Octopus 600, 900. And now we are on a Windows 10 computer, and what we want to do is first you'll need to know your printer manufacturer and model number. In my case, it's a Xerox VersaLink C505. So you want to search for downloads for that and drivers. So after a search for my Xerox printer, you're going to see a bunch of drivers that are available. And if you can find a driver, a generic PPD, this is the easiest one to use for the Octopus machine since it uses a Linux operating system instead of Windows. So you're going to click that and download that and just note where that is downloaded to your computer. So I already have that downloaded to my computer, and it is on my computer here, and you can see my drivers. The PPD driver was already downloaded. So there's a couple different drivers here. I know my model number is a C505. Here's the PPD driver. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to put that in a folder that's already being shared with the Octopus machine. So I'm going to put this in one of my folders here. I'm just going to put it in my Octopus folder. Paste. So as long as it's in one of my Windows Share folders for my Octopus to view the folder, it will be able to come in and pick up this folder, and you'll see this on a separate video on how to set up a printer on the Octopus machine itself. This video is how to set up a printer in the iSuite software for Octopus 600 or 900 visual fields. So with the software open on the machine itself, Octopus 600, I'm going to go click Tools, Preferences, and I'm going down to Operating System, over to Tools, and I'm going to hit Printer Manager. It takes a couple of seconds for that to open up. And then I'm going to click the Add button either here or here. And this assumes that you already watched the video about how to set up a static IP on your printer. So I'm going to go to Network Printer, find the network printer, and I'm going to put in the IP address, the static IP address of my printer. So that's my static IP address of my printer. I'm going to hit Find, and it'll find that right away. And you can see it found that. Since you're using your static IP address, it's using the IPP protocol, Internet Protocol. And I'm going to hit Forward. And it's going to search for drivers. This may take about a minute. That's okay. Just leave it searched. And when it comes up, we're going to choose the printer driver that was provided by your printer manufacturer in one of the Windows Share drives. So I have a PPD file provided by my Xerox manufacturer of my printer. So I'm going to provide the file. I'm going to search for that file in, I'm going to go with a file system, home, Hogstrite user, excuse me, and then Windows Shares. I'm clicking too fast. And I put that file here in this folder. So I'm going to open that. And you can see my Xerox for my printer. It's a C505 PPD file, which is the driver. And I'm going to hit Open on the bottom right. And then I'm going to hit Forward. And this may take a minute. And the Octopus 600 is installing that printer with the drivers from the manufacturer to give all the things that are available with your printer on the Octopus 600. So just be patient as that installs the printer. Should be done. Now it is. And you can see if you want to rename your printer, etc., you can do that. But this is my printer, Xerox C505. And I'm going to hit apply. And you can print a test page. And when you click this print test page, you should hear a page printing out of your printer right about now. And I'm going to move this box over a little bit here. I'm going to, if you want to change any of your settings, policies, printer options. So I'm going to change this. I don't want a double-sided print. I'm going to just change mine to a single-side print. And you can change whatever else you want on this. And you do have a scroll over here that you can scroll up and down. I'm going to hit apply and hit OK. So we now have our printer installed in the Octopus 600. If you would like your visual fields printed out as soon as you're done with visual field, we're going to go under Perimetry down to where it says Printouts. And we're going to go to Automatic. And I'm going to choose a printer I just installed, the Xerox C505. And you can click as many of these as you would like. I just want a 7-in-1 printer printed out at the end. And hit OK. And if I would like to add any more print jobs, I can go up here to the plus sign and just say I would like a PDF also sent at the end of the examination. I want a 7-in-1. And I want to send that to a folder on my network that we set up in some of the other videos in the Windows Share. So I'm going to click my target folder. And I'm going to go to Windows Shares. These are the folders that your Octopus 600 can see. And I want these printouts, I want a PDF sent to this folder on my network. And that's going to be uploaded into my image management software attached right into my EHR. So that's where I'm going to send that. And I can keep adding more print jobs if I want, but these are the two I want. I'm going to get a hard copy printed out on my Xerox printer, and I'm going to send a PDF over to this folder in my network. And my printer is all set up, ready to go. And that's it.